So I figured I'd do a quick tutorial on how to get this digital vaccination certificate sorted out for those who are curious, because I didn't really see anything about it on YouTube or anything like that. So you come to this website, vaccert.moh.gov.jm, and then you come over here to download your vaccine certificate. You then proceed to enter your phone number, and then click the green button that gives you an OTP, which I guess stands for one-time password potentially. I'm not sure, but that's what I'm gonna call it for the sake of this video. Then you check your phone to see what the password that you got is. So 4411, and then you log into the portal. Once you log into the portal, you'll be transported to this page here that says digital vaccination certificate. Basically, you're supposed to check your vaccination details to ensure that it is correct. If you are satisfied with what you see there, whether your name is right, birth date, etc., then you can just download it or print it accordingly. You get this QR code that can be scanned and verified from the same website. So instead of clicking to generate a certificate, you would click the button before that said to verify, and then it will scan the QR code and pull up all the relevant information that is linked to your QR code for your specific vaccination certificate. Your date of the vaccination, how many doses you've had, what type of vaccine you received, the batch number, where you got it, and basically a signature from the chief medical officer. So hopefully this has been informative, and good luck to everybody getting their digital vaccination certificates. If, however, you see some information that is not correct there, then you will need to click this link that then takes you to another page where you can start putting in your correct information and send that off to the government of Jamaica. I'm not 100% sure how long it takes to update said information so that it's on your certificate when you generate it again, but that would be the entirety of the process. And yeah.
But wait, there's more.
The digital vaccination certificate portal also has a section that validates a vaccination certificate. So you'd come over here on the right where it says validate and click on that green button to validate. And once you're on this page, all you have to do is click validate a vaccination certificate section here with scan with QR, this green button here. You click that, and if you're on PC, it should open up a webcam to scan the QR code, whatever you have it on, whether it's printed or you have a picture of it on a phone, or if you are on mobile, it will open up your mobile phone's camera to scan the QR code. So you click the camera, hold it up, and it scans it on the phone for you. And just like that, your information is pulled up, and whoever it is that needs to verify your digital vaccination certificate will have the information on hand and ready to go. So you'll be whether allowed to go to an event, a movie theater, a sporting gathering, a party, a building to shop. I don't know. There are many different uses that this can be used for if the government decides to implement some type of mandate where people have to provide proof that they're vaccinated. So there you go.